Randy, they're in our yard.
¿No sabes cuál país eres, señor? ¿No eres ciudadano americano?
Soy agente federal de los Estados Unidos.
Somos agentes federales, señor, aquí para encontrar las leyes de inmigración.
Good morning.
Señor. Señor.
Get the hell out of my yard, you assholes.
You guys again? Oh, what the fuck? I'm backed up. I'm backed up. I'm backed up. What happened? What happened? They just ID'd him. They just ID'd him. The other guy. Don't you fucking guys coordinate with each other? They just ID'd him. They just ID'd him. You broke his fucking windows. There was another truck that was here and ID'd him already. The fuck is going on? Just show me your ID again. This is bullshit. What the fuck?
Hey,